almost a 6.
Yes,
I love
five
it.
and a half. Right. Anyways, guys, welcome back to Weekend Smile. The aim of the game is guessing which song it is by completing the missing letters on the screen. I thought you guys were gonna play something. Jeez, let's take the first one.
I'm not happy already.
Oh God, Mr. Bombastic.
Mr. Bombastic. Ah,
Mr. Bombastic.
yes,
Hey,
Mr. Bombastic.
I got it.
That's good.
I got it. Go Shaggy.
That's good.
All right.
All
That one
right.
was easy.
I don't know. I'm concerned
Mr.
now.
Bombastic, Shaggy.
Okay. Wow. No. Tree. No. Tree. Little bears. 3 little birds.
Three
I said
little
bears.
birds?
3.
Little Birds.
No.
Right.
No, but that's.
Yeah, 3 Little Birds by Bob Marley and the Wailers.
But that said tree though. There wasn't the H. The H was
No
very
man,
much.
the space was there for the H.
absence.
Okay, 3 Little Birds.
By Bob Marley and the Wailers.
All right. Next.
All right.
We ain't doing so bad. Okay.
Many rivers to
Rivers to cross.
Okay.
Are we gonna come out of
Many
Reggae
rivers to
anytime?
cross.
Jimmy
Yes.
Cliff. Big up, Jimmy.
Yes. I sang that song for an audition actually.
Aww.
It was not good. That's fine.
I'm sure Jimmy's fine.
Yeah, he loved it.
Do we have any more? Is that 3
That's
we
it?
have?
We just have to, we're
Oh.
good.
She's royal.
She's, okay.
Taurus Riley.
All right, okay.
Bop, 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 bop.
Debbie love that song, yeah.
Yeah,
Love that song,
Taurus
yeah.
Riley is my artist, so
Yeah,
big up
yeah.
Taurus Riley.
All right,
Big
what else we
tune.
got? Oh,
That's when I say twerk.
twerk. Tweet.
Tweet.
Tweet. TT.
Ta-
Test.
Toot.
Toot. Teeth. I don't know.
Teeth. No, that can't be teeth.
Teeth. Well.
Talk. No, is that TT? I don't know.
Toot. Sweet.
No,
Twist. No.
Okay, we give up.
TW. Nope. What is it?
We give up.
We tried our best.
Yeah, we did.
We really.
Toast by.
Shame. Shame. I'm sorry. I'm ashamed. I'm sorry.
I couldn't pick
Toast.
up toast.
I don't know why toast didn't come in my brain. Tweet.
I know. I could
twerk,
not have seen toast.
Twitter.
I don't know why. It's my song too. It's my
And
jam.
I love
Big
the
up
song.
Coffee.
And I love coffee. I'm sorry, girl.
We have another one. Oh God.
I'm sorry. Okay. Give the light.
No, give me the light.
Give me the light.
Give me the light.
Hey,
Sean Paul.
just
Hey.
give me the light.
And that's the rhythm that's being played. Yeah.
Hey.
That is the rhythm. Yeah.
Okay, what else we got? I like this game.
No, it's not bad. Church Heathen.
I-
Hey, Shaggy. Hey, Mr.
Okay.
Boy of the church.
Do you see my face? Look like very much like.
Yeah, it's a big tune. Church Heathen. That
I'm
one
upset.
wasn't bad.
I'm upset. I'm upset. All right.
Okay, next one.
What's the last one? Sheet.
Is that Spy song? Between the sheets?
Between the sheet. You're just making up word, making up letters. Between.
I am.
You know, outer space. I don't know. What's the song? Give us a hint.
Sing it, come on. Chronics?
What is it?
No, don't say that.
Tell
I'm
me
gonna
the
feel bad.
song. Skanking
Sweet.
Sweet.
No, it is. Oh no.
Skanking
I feel so
Sweet. And I love that
bad.
song too.
It is my jam.
Guys at home, it's not as easy as it looks.
Okay, we have one more left. Let's
It's not as
see.
easy as it looks, okay?
Skanking Sweet.
Running.
Run from SHENSEEA. What did you say?
Rin.
Past tense of run is run. Okay. Tomorrow.
People.
Tomorrow people.
Hey. Tomorrow people are longing to last this. Today we say. Okay.
We're going to take a break.
Oh yeah, I think. Yeah, I need to calm down.
Yeah. Jinx.
I need to calm down. And on that note, we'll be right back with Sunko.
Tomorrow people.